Good afternoon. This is Michael Good from ReaperTrades.com, and this is your Q&A with Michael Good, where the Reaper answers your questions. Here's a couple questions posed to me by readers. One reader asked, "Hey, Michael, I just wanted to show you these two stocks that have been making 52-week highs for the past 5 consecutive days, CSIQ and ENZN, waiting to be shorted." I say, okay, well, my first thoughts on reading that are, stocks that are at their 52-week highs are not necessarily things you want to short. Actually, there have been studies done. Stocks at their 52-week highs tend to go up. There's some good psychological reasoning behind that. People don't like to buy things when they're high. But, on the other hand, stocks reach 52-week highs usually because of good news. So, people are loath to buy something that's up a whole bunch, but if it's up on good news, then maybe it deserves to go up farther. And then that's why 52-week high stocks tend to go up. So here's Canadian Solar, CSIQ. Another thought on looking at this, okay, it's a solar stock. All solar stocks are up big recently. Let's see if I can remember a few. SPWRA. Okay, not SunPower. Suntech Power Holdings. Yeah, last 5 days, it's up a bit. And if I could remember what Evergreen Solar was, I'd probably see that it was up a bunch too. But anyway, so that's another reason for me not to want to trade it, because it's in a group of stocks that are up a bunch. And another reason, it's $20 stock. It doesn't have a high average daily range. There's not a whole lot of movement for me to see. So there's really not much reason for me to want to trade these. On the other hand, stocks that are higher priced, if they do move a lot, let's say they gap up 20-30% on blowout earnings, those can be great intraday buys. It's not quite that high priced, but Bonton. It was a very nice mover yesterday. It was just sort of straight up all day. Well, not straight up, it was just gradually up a few cents every few minutes. But going back to CSIQ, let me show you the weekly chart. So here you can see it's at its 52-week highs. The last time it was this high was back in October or September of 2008. Okay, let's look at the other stock. Hold on just a second. It was ENZN. Okay, again, it's near its highs. If we look at the weekly chart, we see it's not just at its 52-week highs, but this is a great breakout on multiple time frames. Here in the last few days or months, then back here, here. So it hasn't ever been this high, at least not since before 2007. So that's a great breakout. This kind of breakout is even better than just going to 52-week highs. So why would I want to short this? I mean, yeah, it's up from like 8.6, so maybe it's a little overextended, but still, it's only up like 25% from there. So there's not a ton of downside. And then look at how choppy this is, and look at the size of its average daily range. The average daily range, or ADR, is the average range between the low and the high of the day. This one has a fairly low range, so day trading it is not going to move that much. Even on this huge technical breakout, it didn't move much. So in one day, on the day of the breakout, I went from 9.4 to 9.8. That's just not something I can get around trading. So I hope that helps y'all and gives you a little bit more about how I think about breakouts and shorting, what's good short, what's a good buy. Don't get fixated on shorting stuff. I know a lot of my readers started with Tim Sykes and they read me, and me and Tim Sykes both love shorting stuff. But not everything's a short. There's plenty of good buys out there. And more things go up than go down over time. That's it. Check me out next time, ReaperTrades.com.